nice.
So this just arrived.
Yeah.
This is from Multool. This is full synthetic, right?
Yeah.
It's a SAE 5W30
Yeah.
full synthetic.
It's time to oil change.
Yes, and we are going to do it ourselves.
Yeah.
Why? Because we purchased the what's that Ford Performance package. Comes with an oil change,
Yes.
free oil change.
Yeah, part of it.
So we were like, you know what? It's let's do it ourselves.
Yeah.
It's time to do it ourselves.
Yeah.
We already finished opening up our hood. So we just finished removing our skid plate. There's our skid plate there. And we actually put some pads here. We already finished placing our oil drain container down there. Let's check our oil level first. And so far, not sure you guys, it's actually not bad. We're
Yeah.
actually like right on the dot at like 5,000 miles. So
It looks dark now.
yeah.
Kind of dark, huh?
So let's wipe it. And
Oh, yep.
it's like
It's still goldish, brown.
goldish. Let's put this back in. And
Yeah, it's dark now.
so we'll just unscrew this. And
Oh, there.
there you go. So
Okay.
we'll just
Remove that.
remove it and just place it here.
Yeah.
There you
Oh,
go.
there. Okay. Oh,
There you go.
there you go.
There.
Oh, yay! We got it in the pan.
There you go. Perfect.
Perfect.
So we are just watching oil drip. So now we are going to remove our oil filter. And the good news with our fenders and our fender liner, it's just right there. So that's what makes it easy for the 2.3 liter. And
And then
this is
what we got.
the tool we got. So it'll be
Hopefully it fits though.
here, let's check if it fits.
Guess what? It fits.
Wow, it fits like a glove.
Yeah.
We're gonna try it with this.
Yeah.
Let's see if that's long enough.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Just a little hard to turn.
There you go.
Oh, he was able to
Turn it.
turn it. Yay! So also, please make sure you have a pan here because there. See?
Oh, it's leaking already?
Yeah. You have a separate pan for the bridge for the oil when you remove the oil filter.
We pulled this out and now we're gonna put the new one in. We got our new oil filter from Ford for
Yeah.
our Motorcraft.
Yes. So now we just need to add like oil in the rim here. So I'm just gonna go down here and make sure my gloves is clean. And then just grab just a tiny bit of oil.
I guess to lubricate it.
Yeah.
To lubricate it, right?
Yeah.
Let's put the new oil filter in and it's gonna go in there.
Yeah. And then you need to make sure you just use your hand when you're putting it in.
So we're gonna use this and do what, one full turn? Or-
Yeah. Oops. Okay.
That's half.
Uh-huh.
There.
One.
That's one. Nice and tight.
All right.
Well, we actually have a brand new plug for the Bronco, but we're gonna reuse our old plug because it's still good.
Yeah.
We checked for any cracks.
It still looks brand new.
Well, why not use it again?
Yeah.
It's already been over 10 minutes already, and it looks like it's empty already. It's just
Yeah.
tiny bits of drip, or just wipe it down and then put the plug back on. He is now going to put the plug back on. So we are using our Craftsman torque
The 20 pound-feet
of torque. Yep, that's what I checked it on Google and that's what it said.
Yeah.
All right, so we're now going to torque it. So we are now torquing it.
I guess that's the click.
That's okay. There's the cluck.
There.
There. That's the click. There you go. Okay, we're gonna check to see if it clicks. Oh yeah, there.
There.
It's that click, click, click. All right, there. Just double check. So now she is setting up the no mess funnel,
Yeah.
oil funnel.
Yeah.
So right now she's just preparing all that, so we could put it on top of here. Francis just finished assembling this
funnel.
the funnel.
And then they have all of the attachment. So here's all the others.
All the car brands.
Yeah.
They even have BMW and Mercedes.
So we're getting the Ford, and then this will go in here where you put the oil.
I'll be laughing if that doesn't fit.
You know, right? It fits.
Oh, it does fit. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Oh, yeah, it fits perfectly.
Fits, right? And then this. Oh, how come it's not straight?
Return. No, it looks, I don't know.
I think I just need to remove a.
Oh, there, that's straight enough,
How come it's like crooked?
I guess. As long as it doesn't tip over.
Yeah. No, I think I really need to find the angle for it.
Okay.
Oh, right here.
Oh, there, that looks
That's-
straight.
Yeah.
That looks straight. Okay, it doesn't have to be returned. The capacity on this is
Is
1.5
1.5.
liters, and this is going to take 6.2, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6.2. So we'll just do the math, and here, let's begin. We pop this open.
Yeah. It's here. It starts from here.
Yeah, so it starts from there. You have to pull it out, and it becomes this. And now we are going to open this up. There, and then we just have to. Here, you pull it. I'm holding the camera. There you go. Nice, fresh, synthetic oil. Okay, so we are now going to do the math.
Yeah.
So it's
This is
1.5.
already 6. No, 5.
5. Oh, so the whole thing is 5 liters?
So we just need to add 1.2 from the other one.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, look how clean that oil looks. That's how much she put so far.
Yeah. And I'll just open the valve here. And that will.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah. It's like no mess.
Yeah, sweet. It kind of looks like beer.
Yeah.
Just finished dumping all 5 liters. So we just need 1.2 more. We are down here again to see if there's any leaks. And so far, so good. It looks really clean. We're going to put 1.2 liters.
About 1.
About 1.2. We're checking to see if it's about 1.2.
I think this is 1. And then I think I need to go all the way up here.
Okay.
1.2. There.
There.
About
1.2. So that equals 6.2 liters.
So I'm gonna open this now.
Okay, opening up the what's this? The drain.
Yeah. And there it goes.
And it's going down. Now removing our funnel. There you go. Everything is 100% down. We are removing that rubber piece. There you go. It's almost out.
There.
There. Okay, and now we'll put the cover,
This cover.
the oil cover.
Yep.
We are going to check our oil dipstick. Oh, damn, that
Oh,
thing is
wow.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
wipe
if
it down.
I wipe it down. Yeah, it's clean.
Wait, one more time.
Yeah. Put it back. There you go.
Man, it is clear as clear could be.
Yeah.
And then wipe it down, please. And damn, that's clean. All right, now let's go down here again and check. There is no leak. Oil filter. Let's go on the oil filter. And it's dark right now, but I just finished wiping the residue down. And let's check if there's any drips. Nope, no new oil leak or drip. So we are good. There you go, the cranking for the oil filter.
Yeah.
So we gotta turn on, I mean, not fully turn on the Bronco, just turn on the accessories.
So I need to press
Yep.
the brake all the way.
Yep. And then
The
gas.
gas all the way.
And then press the accessories. It's cranking. It's cranking. There.
There, it's
There.
done.
Now start the Bronco regularly, please. Yay! All done. Oh, now we have to do the screen to set the oil.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So we go on settings. So we go to the menu and then click on settings and then oil life
Uh-huh.
and then hold OK to reset oil life.
Hold, okay,
So-
resetting. And there.
There. Yay! We are 100% done. Yes, okay, high five. We oil changed the Bronco and we're ready to rock at SEMA. There is our old, that's our old oil from there. And she said it's really light.
Yeah.
And we are now going to put our old oil in here so we could give this to O'Reilly.
Test driving.
Yes, we are. Well, first off, we're test driving our new oil change.
Yes.
And we won't find out until there's a real major leak after the drive. But so far, so good after doing the oil change stuff.
Yeah.
Right now, we are on our way to In-N-Out.
Yeah.
And this is what we got at In-N-Out. We got our 2 doubles and we got our French fries and cups of water. Okay, let's do this. So we got the Bronco and we're here at O'Reilly's and we just finished dropping off our oil, signed it, and that's it. We're good. And the oil filter too. And we're good to go.
We can this, we can ride, you can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Okay, this a little.
You got this.
Oh, they really
Made it
tightened
tight.